Today we have a problem, and the problem is root of x multiplied by root of x will be equal to 27. We need to solve this problem. Let's start this problem. So first of all, I'm going to write in exponent form. We know that root of x multiplied by root of x will be equal to x root of x whole power 1 by 2. Similarly, we know that root of x will be equal to x power 1 by 2. So I'm going to solve this inner part, and I will solve that. I know that x multiplied by root of x can be written like that, x multiplied by x power 1 by 2. When I combine these powers, I will get x power 3 by 2. Now let's move forward. Now I'm going to substitute the value of x root of x, which is x power 3 by 2, and I will get this expression x power 3 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. We know that by using the indices law, I can multiply both powers. When I multiply, I will get x power 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Similarly, when I combine these two, I will get x power 3 by 4. Now we know that what is our left hand side. So this means we have x power 3 by 4 will be equal to 27. We need to find the value of x. So let's start how we can find the value of x. First of all, I'm going to write the prime factorization of 27, which will be equal to 3 power 3. I will substitute that value. I will get the x power 3 by 4 will be equal to 3 power 3. Now, in order to find the value of x, I need to take the 4 by 3 power on both sides. When I take that on the left side, I will get x. On the right side, I will get 3 power 3 whole power 4 by 3. We are going to use the indices law. When I use the indices law, I can multiply both powers. So I will get x is equal to 3 power 3 multiplied by 4 by 3. When I simplify this, I will get 3 power 4. So we know that 3 power 4 mean multiply 3 4 times. So I will get 81. This is our answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.